Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today we are doing the April favorites, hits, and misses. I do have a lot of favorites actually, and I decided to do beauty and also things that don't have to do with beauty, maybe like my favorite songs or my favorite shows at the moment. So I don't know, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Today's post notification shout out goes to Melissa Angela. Melissa, thank you so much for having your post notifications on. You are such a good subscriber. You're in every single one of my videos, and just know that it doesn't go unnoticed. I love seeing all your comments, so thank you so much. And if you want to be the next post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn them on and comment when you are done. Let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start out with some wipes. These are by the way, they're gone because I finished them, but I wanted to keep the packaging because I haven't bought a new pair. But these are the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Exfoliating Facial Wipes. So these are not like your typical makeup removing wipes. These are exfoliating. So these, I mean, they don't really take off my makeup by themselves, but the reason why I love this is because if you're traveling, or let's say you have like your favorite cleanser, but you also want to start exfoliating a little bit, you wash your face and then you can put your cleanser on your face that is not exfoliating, and then you take one of these wipes and you just rub it along your face with your cleanser on your face, and these wipes are so nice. One side is a little bit rougher, you know, for around the face, and the other one's a little bit softer, which is the one I use like right under the eyes, and it exfoliates my face so well. I actually stole these from my boyfriend. We went out to, last time we went on vacation, I forgot to bring my face brush, and that exfoliates my face, and I have such dry skin, so I have to exfoliate. So I grabbed one of his and I put my cleanser on it, and I exfoliated the crap out of my face, and it was amazing. So if you need like an exfoliant to go to pair with your cleanser, these are pretty amazing. Okay, let's talk about primers, because I actually have a couple new favorite primers. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow, and I have the shade Daybreak. There are two shades. One's a little bit darker for me right now, but this is the one that I like. This is kind of like a glow lotion, but I love it as primer. It really gives your skin a lot of luminosity, but I love the texture of it. Like, you can tell that it's like priming your skin. It just looks really, really nice under the foundation, and it kind of really hydrates your face a lot. So, I mean, I wouldn't skip out on moisturizer, but sometimes when I do, I just go ahead and put this on. It's kind of like a 2-in-1, and I just love it. It makes my skin so smooth, and it gives it like a really nice sheen, but it doesn't overdo it. So this is really for someone who wants like a slight sheen and then like a nice consistency under their foundation. I love this, especially on like days where I only wear concealer instead of foundation. I love to put this under so my skin still looks like nice and radiant. But if you're someone that likes more radiance, I have been obsessed with this. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion, and I have it in the shade medium, and this is also really, really nice. It has the same consistency as the CoverGirl one, but this one actually gives you a lot more of a sheen. So it kind of just depends. If you're into these glotions, if you like less sheen, definitely go for the CoverGirl, but if you like a more like highlighter kind of thing, go for this one. It's really, really nice. It looks really good under foundation, and like I said, it also really looks good on just bare skin. That's why I love these, because I feel like they're really versatile. I do feel like I'm primed under foundation, but I also like them by themselves. They just feel so good, and these you can also put all over your body. I've been obsessed with these so much. And the last primer that I'm going to talk about is this one. It's the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. Thank you to my subscriber who recommended this for me. This is the one that I tried in my video trying out products that subscribers recommended. I love this. This is the coolest primer ever. It's, at first it's kind of like a gel, like a water gel, and then you start rubbing it in and it feels creamy, but then you keep rubbing it and it starts to feel like water, like straight water. So at first it kind of feels weird because you're like, is this even priming my skin? It feels like water. But after you really, really work it in and you let it sit for a second, you can touch your skin and it feels so hydrated and so smooth and plump and a little bit tacky, ready for foundation. I love it. And another reason why I love this so much is because it reminds me of another one of my favorites this month, but it's a lot cheaper than the next one. And I'm talking about the Tatcha Water Cream. I just wanted to give a shout out to Allison because she bought this for me, and this is kind of like the smaller size. The big jar is like over $60, and it sucks because I really like this, but I don't want to pay for the big jar. But this is like the same thing. It's kind of like a water cream gel. You put it on your skin and it's really creamy. And this one, what's cool about it is that you like tap it and these water droplets come out, and then it becomes super watery, and then it really hydrates your face. I feel like this must be really nice for normal to oily skin. I have drier skin, but I still love this, but I still get like more moisturizing from this Clinique cream, but I still love this. I think this is a really nice cream because it's not very heavy, so I think it's perfect for the daytime. And like I said, it's really expensive, but I love the whole concept of it. And when I tried this NYX, I mean, obviously they're not gonna be the same thing, but if you like the feeling of this and you want a primer like it, this is literally the same kind of concept. So I've been obsessed with these two little guys so much. My next favorite is another CoverGirl product. You guys have seen me use this in my last couple videos. It's the CoverGirl Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. It's a really nice setting spray, but I just love the mist of it. It's like, I don't know, it's not a continuous spray, but it is like a long time kind of spray, and I just love it. I think that this is like the second best thing as a Morphe like setting spray. It's really good. It has a lot of product. I've been loving it, and the mist is so fine that it just like gets on your face, but it doesn't like leave chunks. Like I feel like I'm at a spa when I use this. I really like this, and it does keep my makeup in place all day. So if you like a really good mist, like a really fine mist, like super fine, definitely check this out. The CoverGirl Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. And like you guys know, all these products are gonna be listed down below, so don't you worry. So my next favorite was a huge surprise to me because I didn't even want to try this product, but one of you guys recommended it to me, and it is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I only tried this about 2 weeks ago, but I've been wearing it ever since. I have like filming other videos, I've been putting this on. Like I just love it. It's so weird to me because I have normal to dry skin, and like just a matte foundation. I've never just gone out and like bought a matte foundation, but this has been really nice. I've been putting this under it. Like I said, this is really hydrating, and it just looks so flawless. And because it's not luminous, it doesn't really settle into my smile lines, which is kind of what sold me. Like it barely settles into my smile lines, and I love that. It has really good coverage, it looks beautiful on the skin, and it doesn't stick to my dry patches. So if you've been scared to try this because you have drier skin, I definitely recommend you trying it. Put on a, hydrating primer under it. It looks really nice and it lasts all day. So I definitely love this. I use the shade Light Tan, and it's like the perfect shade for me right now. So my next favorite, which you guys have seen a lot of now, it's the Luddy London Shimmer Squad. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about by now, but this is just a beautiful affordable highlighter palette. It has 4 different shades. It has kind of like a pinky, a frosty, a more warm, and then a dark one, and I use all of these shades. They're so nice, they're so pigmented, and they're not like super drying, and they're so reflective. If you like a blinding highlight, you're gonna love this. Like this is so nice. It has so much product, and it's so affordable. I think I paid maybe like $10 or $12 for it, and I definitely think it's worth it. I've been really impressed by this. I've been taking this with me everywhere. The next product was just like a really good find at Marshall's, and I have been obsessed. This is the Japanesque Brush Cleaning Trio. I have the trio just because that's just what I bought, but you can just get like the regular cleanser, which comes in a bigger bottle. This is what they look like. This would be so perfect for traveling. So they're all different scents. One of them is citrus, the other one's coconut, and the other one's rose water. They all smell amazing. Right now I've been using the rose water. Guys, this little cleanser works so well. And it has like, I don't know what it has. I mean, I'm sure it's not oil, but whatever it has, it actually hydrates my brushes. Like once I like brush away like all the eyeshadow, it like leaves it like really hydrated. I can show you guys how good this is. Okay, so you guys see like this brush is white and it has a lot of brown eyeshadow on it. So I'm just gonna spritz it. And I have a towel here, I'm just gonna rub it. And look at this. Literally it looks brand new, and it's not dried out, and it dries. Like you don't have to wait for this to dry. So it's like moisturized, but it's not wet. It's literally such a good cleanser. I highly recommend it. Once I run out of these bottles, I'm gonna buy like the big size. But this is just really good for traveling too, because you're obviously not gonna be washing your brushes when you're traveling. So like really try it out. Go to Marshall's, that's where I found it. And I think it was, how much was it? It was really cheap. I paid $3.99 for this. $3.99, so I definitely recommend this. So my next favorite is like super random, but I've been obsessed. This is the Revlon Brow Fantasy in the shade Dark Brown. And pretty much what it is just a brow pencil and a brow gel. I don't use the brow gel as much, but because it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like goopy. But this brow pencil is so nice. This has been my go-to pencil when I don't want to do powder and liner, because you guys know I use eyeliner for my eyebrows. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my eyebrow routine. But this is just a really forgiving pencil. It's like pigmented, but it's a little bit waxy, so it's not like super harsh. And I literally just draw on my whole eyebrow with this and this only, and it looks like a good natural messy brow. I'm thinking about doing like an updated 10-minute everyday makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys are interested, because I do have my holy grail everyday 10-minute quick makeup tutorial, and this is definitely one of them. I do my brows in like 2 minutes, so let me know if you guys want that, and I will definitely film that for you guys. Another favorite that I have that I discovered during my prom tutorial is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow, and I have in the shade Pure Intention. This is just a really nice, almost like a Stila Magnificent Metal kind of thing. It's not like super glittery, but it is like really like shimmery, like it's really reflective. My lights aren't doing it justice, but this is just a really nice liquid eyeshadow. It looks a lot nicer in the sunlight, like it looks even more glittery, and it's just really nice to cut out your crease or to just add like a pop to your eyeshadow, and it's really affordable. I think it was like $5, and it comes with a lot of product, and it stayed on all day, so I really highly recommend this. I think I haven't heard much about these, and I picked it up at my drugstore for my tutorial, and I was like, this is actually really nice. Okay, and for my last makeup favorite, I just wanted to give a shout out to this guy right here. Thank you guys so much for recommending it. I do think it's a really good contour palette. It's not the cheapest, it was like $25, but I still love my Wet n Wild contour kit, but I think that this is really nice for someone who just wants it all. Some of these are really good for just contouring. This is a really nice bronzing shade. There's also a banana shade, and there's also like an actual highlighter. So I definitely think this is really nice for traveling. I know it's kind of bulky, but it does have a lot of different kinds of powders, and they're really pigmented, they're easy to blend, and I've been using this a lot. So just wanted to give this a quick little shout out. Okay, so I never really do this, but I wanted to add some like music favorites. This month I only have like one specific artist, but let me know if you guys want to, you know, learn about my music of the month, because I definitely wanted to add it on. But I have been obsessed with Khalid's album. I know it's not new. I think it's called like The American Teenage Dream. Here, let me look it up. His whole album is just so chill. Every time I do my makeup, I just put it in the background and I'm just like jamming, but like relaxing at the same time. I just love it. I've been loving it, so I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite songs. By the way, the album's called American Teen, not Teenage Dream. I don't know where I got that from.
The hard part always seems to last forever. Call me. I'm hoping that you'll say you're missing me the way I'm missing you.
Then I also love Sad Love Song. This is cute too.
Never seen us, but I guess this sounds like another sad love song. Feel better. Bridges they are burning. Lover, I am worried. Tables they are turning. Running.
I don't know, I really hope you guys like it. I showed this album to my boyfriend and he was like, I don't like it. He sounds like he's half asleep. And I was like, what? So it might just be me, but I love it. I think it's just chill with like a nice little beat. So that has been like my favorite album of the month. And then I also wanted to talk about my favorite shows of the month. So it's so funny because I never in my life thought I would ever watch this, and I didn't want to. I thought it was gonna be so stupid and dorky and nerdy and weird. But I was so desperate of finding a show and I started watching Vampire Diaries. Please don't comment any spoilers. I'm only on season 2, so don't say anything, please, because there's 8 seasons and I just don't want it to get all ruined. But I just started watching it and at first I was like, this is cheesy and weird. I don't think I'm gonna keep watching it. But I was so bored that I was like, I'll keep watching it. And now it's really good. It's really good. And I had a dream last night that my boyfriend was a vampire and I told him and he thinks I'm really stupid. So, but anyways, I've been obsessed with Vampire Diaries. I just want to say, I think Tyler's really cute and Jeremy's really cute and obviously Damon and Stefan. There's just a lot of really cute guys and it's a really good show. So definitely give it a chance. I know it sounds so weird, but it's so good and I cannot believe that there's 8 seasons of it. Another show that I've been watching is Vanderpump Rules. I'm obsessed with Vanderpump Rules, but I actually just watched the finale. I cannot wait to watch that reunion. I know it's gonna go down. And then have I been watching anything else? I've been watching The Voice, mainly because my mom likes watching it, but I'm just like so annoyed with that show. I love the show, but they've just been disqualifying all my favorite singers, and I'm just like so confused as to why my favorite singers are just getting disqualified, so I'm kind of salty about that, but other than that, that's a good show too. What I'm really waiting for is The Bachelorette that comes on at the end of May, because I'm a Bachelorette, like, fan. Like, I love watching that, so that's definitely my guilty pleasure. Let me know down below what your guilty pleasure shows are, what you're watching, if you like Vampire Diaries or not, kind of just like let me know what the deal is with you. So yeah, believe it or not, I don't have any misses this month. There were some products that I didn't really like, but I only tried them out like a week ago, so I don't want to put them in a video saying it's a miss because I still have to play with them. I have so much makeup that I have to play with that sometimes I don't get the chance to, so if they are still misses, I will definitely put them on next month's, but this month was just really a positive month. But yeah guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys like monthly favorites, hits, and misses. Let me know down below what you thought of this and also what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.